everyone, welcome back to my channel Rainy Creativity. Today we'll be doing this my trending DIY fascinator. Do it yourself. Yes. So I use straw mat. Okay, this is also straw mat. I like some people also call it placemat. Okay, or straw mat. The straw mat is those that do fascinators. That's how they call it, and they normally use this for fascinators. Okay, this one you can get it at your kitchen. Remember, we use it on the dining tables, and at the same time they use it for fascinators. Okay, so this one you can get it at where they sell kitchen accessories or where they sell fascinator accessories. That is where you can get some. I've been getting a lot of questions on it. Where can we get some? Where can we get some? Please, where they sell kitchen accessories or where they sell fascinator accessories. All right, so let's start. So I'll be using pins to support it because I'm wearing wig. Okay, my hair is very short. I'm wearing wig, so I'll be using pins. So when I'm pinning it, I'm not pinning it on my head, but I'm pinning it on the wig. You know, the wig itself is a cap. Okay, but somebody that have their own hair is like this to their scarf, I would advise that you use small safety pins like this. You know, we have the small ones. You can use those ones for it. Okay, because this fascinator that we are about to do, we are not going to sew or glue. Okay, we are not gluing, we are not sewing, because it's like kind of emergency thing, you know. You're going somewhere fast, you want to fix something, and then you know what I mean. So enough of the talking, let's get into it. So I'm just going to place it on like this. Okay, and then I'll come like this, you see, and then fold, okay, like this. Let me do it again, like this. Okay, like this, and then you can even take it off like this, and then you pin. Those that don't want to pin it directly on the head. Okay, so I'm using a office pin or tailor's pin, but you can use a safety pin for yours. Okay, you can also sew yours if you like. Okay, just do what makes you happy. All right, so I have pinned it, and then this side I'll fold in like this and then take it right here. Okay, again I'll take it off and then pin the side. Like this. Okay, like this. And then this side I'll fold the side like this. Okay, so before I fold this side, I'll take this side in like this. Okay, so I want it to look like some cap thing in front. Okay, so again you can take it off and then pin it. And then pin it. Okay, and then put it back on. Okay, like this, and then hold the middle. Let's bring this one right here. And then we are going to pin it as well. So again, you can take it off and then pin it. So let me do this one directly on the head. Okay, like this. The pin is not good. Let me take another pin. Okay, so now we are going to take it off and then give it some pin to clip on the head. Okay, But you can also do the pinning directly on your head, like I said in the beginning of the tutorial. Okay, so this is for those that have their real hair. Okay, so now I'm going to use this safety pin. Let me check the position where I want. Okay, so in the middle right here, somewhere here, I'm going to pin it with the safety pin inside it like this, and then I'll grab a clip. So this hair clip too, you can get it online or where they sell hair accessory. Where they sell hair accessories, you can also get these clips. Okay, all right, so I'll just pass it through here. So this is going to help me clip it on the head. Okay, so now I'm going to clip it on the head. Or on the hair or on the wig. So I'm clipping it to the hair. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so here is the final result. I hope you're going to give a try. So at this point, you can leave it like this if you want. You can also decorate it with flowers, brooches, anything you feel like adding it to give you more vibes. That's you. Then you add it. Okay, so I remember that tutorial I added this. Okay, it's brooch. Okay, this is also brooch. Okay, so I'm going to attach it here. All right, so that is it. Okay, so here's the final look. Okay, I hope you're going to give a try. Here's the side view. Here's the back view. This Fascinator is really trending on Instagram. It have 2 million views. Just yesterday that I posted it, 2 million views. So YouTube people, I have brought it here for you step by step. So let's see how it's going to go. Let me see more feedback on this. Comments, let me know what you think about this. Are you going to give it a try? If you have any question, please kindly drop it under the comment section for me. And also, don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe to this channel, it's about creativity. Okay, that's what I do here. Creative. Subscribe and then set your notification bell on so that anytime I drop new tutorials like this, you won't miss out. Okay, set the notification bell on as well and give me the likes if you like it. Okay, thank you, love you all, bye.